In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your Hostinger domain. Whether you're new to managing domains or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the entire process, making it simple and easy to follow. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to sign in to your Hostinger account, specifically heading over to the H panel. This will be familiar to you if you've used Hostinger before, but if not, don't worry. hPanel is essentially your control center, where you can manage all aspects related to your hosting services, including your domains. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and navigate to the Billing section. Under Billing, you'll find Subscriptions. Go ahead and click on that. Subscriptions is the section where you'll see a list of all your active domains and services, making it the perfect place to manage renewals. Here, you'll see all the domains currently linked to your account. Take a moment to locate the specific domain you wish to renew. Now, you'll notice an arrow next to the domain you've selected. Click on this arrow to expand your options. Among these options, you should see a button that says Renew. Click on this Renew button to move forward with the process. Now that you've initiated the renewal process, it's time to choose your renewal period. Hostinger provides flexibility here, but each renewal must last at least 1 year. You can choose a longer period if you prefer stability and don't want the hassle of frequent renewals. Think about what suits your needs best at this point, short-term or long-term. Next up is choosing your payment method. Hostinger supports various payment options, so select the one that's most convenient for you. This could be a credit card, PayPal, or any other option available, depending on your location and Hostinger's offerings. After selecting your preferred payment method, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment process. Ensure all details are correct before finalizing the transaction. It's a straightforward process, more often than not completed within a few clicks. Once the payment is successfully processed, your domain renewal is complete. You'll typically receive a confirmation via email, affirming that your domain is now renewed for the selected period. And that's it. It's really that simple to keep your online presence active and under your control. Wrapping up, managing domain renewals is a critical part of maintaining your online presence. Don't let your hard-earned domain name expire. And there you have it. A seamless process to ensure your digital space remains yours. If you have